Hey, it's Jason. I'm here in Danville, Pennsylvania at the Montour Preserve. And it's a giant preserve land ran by the state. And they have the largest fossil digging site. So you can actually bring your kids and you can dig up old fossils and all kinds of stuff from presumably prehistoric times. I think a lot of it is in shell and stuff that they can dig and hammer. But just a really beautiful place here. All kinds of picnic tables and water and all kinds of fun stuff to do. So we're taking a quick break at the park area and then we're going to drive over where we can start digging and see what we can find. Okay, so we are at the fossil pit. It's the information says it's from the Devonian period, which is 419 to 359 million years ago. They were formed and from creatures that lived during the Devonian period, roughly 395 million years ago, when much of Pennsylvania was covered by warm, shallow areas of sea. So the sea was basically covering all of this 395 million years ago. And it's either limestone or shell. It's also referred to sometimes as the age of ferns and fishes. And the fossils found come from a time that's probably 116 million years ago, which is before the rise of dinosaurs. And you can see here, let me show you what we can expect to maybe find. So this is the Devonian Sea, which covered all the area 419 to 359 million years ago. And these are some of the types of fossils that they say we can find. This is super cool to me. I had no idea this existed. But you go down this path to get to it, so let's take a look. And we are obviously here with our son. And this is part of a dual trip. We're going to Knoebels in Elysburg, which is about 30 minutes away. And we'll be careful. Black bears, that's all I need to see. I'm still on a bum ankle from when I twisted it. But when you park, you just walk down this path. They have parking, it looks like, for about 15 cars. And this path would lead us to the pit. So I'm rounding the curve and I can begin to see that huge hill over there. And some of what are going to be the fossils that we find. Okay, so we've been digging a few minutes. We haven't found anything, but there's a lot here. The tip I would have is definitely make sure you have a pad or like a bucket or something to sit on. And it's like 80 degrees today. Pretty toasty because there's no immediate shade really around here. Our son's enjoying it though. Okay, our fossil hunting is over at the fossil pit. We think we have maybe 4 that are kind of encrusted in some rock. But where we were digging and chiseling, it rained, so things got a little bit muddy. Kind of that slate shell type of mud. I think it was pretty cool, and I'll probably come back. It is a bit of a drive from our house though in northern Baltimore County. But I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you.